I'm going to present one of the features I've been working on. It has to do with downloading raw AsApplied data. We log into the Ag Data Portal, and you see a bunch of select lists here, and these are select lists for list of values, and each one of these is driven by a SQL query, where here we've got a research entity. Only research entities that have data in the raw AsApplied table will show here. Similarly, when you choose Montana State University, there are a lot of farms that are affiliated with Montana State University, and maybe they've put up yield data, but maybe they don't have AsApplied data in the database for some reason. This choose farm has been designed using an SQL query to only show the fields for Montana, the farms, I'm sorry, for Montana State University that have raw AsApplied data in the tables. And so you'll see that for this particular data set, we've got these options, okay? And when we click on this, these are all cascading lists of values. So based on the farm we've chosen, it's only going to display fields that relate to that farm, but also we have to keep in mind it's also only going to display fields that belong to that farm that have actual AsApplied data in the raw AsApplied table. And so here we could click on SCC 01 East, and immediately it's going to show us all of the data that exists for that field for all years. And if you could scroll down all the way, this would show for all whatever years are available. And if we click on year, it's only showing the years of data that are in this particular data set. Now if we go back and we change the farm to, let's say, Bailey, okay, and then we choose for that farm this field, it's displaying all of the values, and then we could see what was available for years, and in this case we only have one. Let's see if we can, if there's another option here where there's multiple years. So here we've got 2 years for West Act Small field for this farm, and if we chose Van Dyke, we could choose a field. We have multiple fields here, Davidson Midwest. You can see it showing all of the years for Davidson Midwest, and here we've got quite a large number of years of AsApplied for Van Dyke Davidson Midwest field. And so that's the basic functionality of this download tool. I'm still working on getting it to drill into the specific year. I'm having trouble doing that, but it's a work in progress. And if to actually download the data set, you would go here, you would go to download, and then you could choose CSV, Excel, PDF. You could choose the letter size. You could email it actually, and then you could send it to somebody via email. But here we're just going to download it as CSV and check that functionality. And here we're downloading actually all of the AsApplied data, and it's quite a bit of data, so I'm going to cancel it. And that's it.